Hi everyone. Yes, we are a group of students from NUS Electrical Engineering Year 3. Yes, and currently we are doing the EE2001 project, and this is our project outcome. Yes, and you can see mainly it is a black box and some pins, and yes, this one is a switch. This box is a switch.
Okay.
This one supposed to be a virtual laser keyboard, and you will see a pattern on a plain form, and you can type on the table or any platform. You will get outcomes and the inputs or outputs from the device. And this keyboard we have mainly have three functions, and one is use it as a keyboard. Yes, you can type normal characters, and another one is we can use it as a piano. We design some tones for special for every characters, and actually you can use it to play like very simple songs. Right. Another one is this one is can be used as a security device. Yes, we implemented and we programmed a security system. You can you'll be asked to key in the password, PIN number, or you can actually also can able to change your accounts.
Open source.
Oh yeah, this one, right? You can see we have the programmable pin available at the sites, and we have this programmable devices. This device is an open source device, and it is designed by a group of other professionals. Actually, we designed this keyboard, right? It is not sealed. Actually, you can open this device. Right, you can see. Right, you can open this device. This is the for battery and the PCB board. Right, laser and camera, all this stuff. Actually, you can program this device as you want according to your specific needs. Right, we provided very fundamental hardware like relay. Inside we got buzzer, LCD, and LED. And yes, of course, the very important thing, Bluetooth. Using the Bluetooth, you can communicate with computer and all sort of stuff is all available. Yes, later we will demonstrate actually how it works. Thanks. Hi everyone. Yes, this is the night mode of our demonstration. Yes, as you can see from the LCD display, we have three functions provided. The first one is keyboard mode. The second one is PA, right? It stands for piano. The last one is a security function. I will demonstrate one by one accordingly. Let's start with the first function, keyboard. After press 1, as you can see, it asks for LCD on off. That means whether you are using the LCD or you are just using the Bluetooth and you are typing inside the computer, and you are looking at the computer screen. Otherwise, you can choose no. Is on. If you choose on, right, it means you are typing and looking at the LCD display. It will give you a reference for any corrections you want to make. Let's try. Let's try ASDF. Yes, as you can see, is quite responsive and is working quite well. And you can even using this backspace key to delete the wrong stuff. And as you can also press enter to shift to the new line. Right, and besides using the just LCD, you can also collaborate this device to the computer. The device we are using is, the software we are using is the Bluetooth virtual keyboard software. Let's make the connection. Yes, currently we are connected. And let's try to type. ASDF. As you can see from the computer screen, it is displayed ASDF, and you can delete key and type again. Sorry. Let's make some changes. ASDF, and you can enter ASDF. Right. And as like other normal keyboard, you can also type the capital letters. The word is just press this CAP key. This CAP stands for capital, and if you press this key, it will display capital on, right? And then you can press any key. All the letters will be capital. They're all capital, right? After, you can then press this capital key again, right? And then you can press again. As you can see, the letters are no longer in capital. Correct. Yes, and let's delete all the stuff. Right. I'm not very sure whether the video is recording correctly or not, but actually, currently whenever I press a key, right, there will be a sound effect. And actually, we program all the letters and numbers with a specific tone. The letters, we assign the tones using the what song? I forgot the name.
Sorry, what song?
Yeah, maybe this very famous song is A B C D E F G. Yeah, that's the song. And then it's just a reminder to the user, right? Actually, the user is typing or keying something, right? But maybe it is not desirable to have a sound effect, and then we provide this function. This function is you can mute the sound effect. If you press this F1, the function key, you can see from the LCD screen. If you press this key, then there will be no more sound effect. Yeah. And if you press this key again, it will mute off, and which means the sound is back. Right. I will demonstrate the read off again. You will press this F1 key, this read on. You press again, this read off. Right. And just now, by accident, we already demonstrated this very specific function of this keyboard. Is that if within around 1 minute, if there is no user input, which means nothing is captured by the camera, this device will automatically step into the sleep mode, which means it will hibernate, kind of hibernate. Right, let's just wait. Yes, as you can see the light is off. As if I press any key on this keypad, it will back up again. Right, back up again. Then after the device is back online, it will be asked to key in the password. It is to protect the user from, if like the user is leaving for a toilet break, then actually others cannot use this device. Yes, and as long as you key in the correct password, you can back to the function you were just now. Right, press ESC. You will back to the menu. You will back to the main menu. Yes. Besides the automatic sleep mode, we also provide a manual sleep mode. If you press Alt, the up key, and then press S, the device will switch off. Yes, and then you can tap again. The device will back on again, and then of course you will be asked to key in the password. Let's say if you key in the password wrongly, right? Because let's say I'm not the user of this device, I just anyhow key in and try to figure out what's the password. If I key in this password wrongly, 3 times, right? And the buzzer will sound, and alarm will scare the user like me away, hopefully. Right, let's now key in the correct password. The preset password is 0060.